How to log into EHERO employee account. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, on your desktop, you have to open up any web browser that you prefer. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and now on the search URL, type in EHERO employee login, then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will be taken to this interface. Scroll down a bit and head over the second link that says employmenthero.com. And you will be taken to the official site of eHero. And on this interface at your right hand side, at the upper side, next to support option, you will get login button. Click on that. And from this drop down menu, click on HR login or payroll login according to your account or position that you have. Now to get started with login process, first of all, you have to enter your valid email address associated with your eHero account. Then click on next button. Now you have to enter your password. So make sure you enter your correct password. If you want to be sure about the password that you have typed in, whether it is correct or incorrect, you can simply click on this checkbox that says show password and your password will be shown here. Or in case you forgot your password, there is a link that says forgot password, which will help you to recover your password. Or if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this link that says join an existing organization. Click on that, follow some instructions, and that will help you out to create an employee account. Now, when you're done typing in your email and your password, click on login button, and on the next page, you will be successfully logged into your account if the login credentials that you have entered is correct. And that's how you can log into eHero employee account. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.